single angle is a gorgeous photo. Look at this. That's totally Instagram worthy. We're going sailing today, but first, we are going to attempt to fly the drone. Epic footage without Junior coming right up. So proud of myself, successfully flew the drone. It didn't crash, so that means it's a success. Listen to what just happened. So I'm flying the drone and I'm trying to get a really beautiful shot of these rocks over here with the water. And apparently there's a woman laying topless down here. I didn't know that, and then my dad was telling me, like, move your drone away from that spot, there's a woman tanning there. I was hovering it there, but I wasn't looking at her. Obviously I was pointing the other way. And he brought his drone out and tried to kind of like bump into mine, so I brought mine home nervously. Hopefully that was epic drone footage. We are gonna get ready for sailing, and it is a perfect day to sail. Look at this. Say hi to my dad. Are you excited to go sailing?
Yes, I am.
So I'm going to just go throw something on and maybe grab a bite to eat before we head out. So many people can sit out here. Please pardon the mess. Hola, chicas! Okay, have you ever seen a bed this high up off the ground? Ever? I don't think you guys actually understand how high up off the ground this bed is. Dad, hold the camera. Watch this. Like, I can't. Okay. Alright, now we're ready for a nap. I'm gonna change, and we're going to head to sail with Grand Little Miracles today again. I'm not sure if the camera actually caught that you can't really like scooch up here, because I mean I guess you can, but falling off the bed if you had a nightmare would be a damn shame. Let's get ready for sailing. Guys, help, I don't know what bikini to wear. I wore this in Boca Marina. Do you remember? Maybe it's good luck because my video did so well. Maybe I should wear it again. No? Black? Just like this? Or looks like Santorini? Alright, finally changed, and we're heading to meet the taxi at ES Square to go sailing. The best food that we had the entire time that we were in Santorini last year was on this sailboat, so I'm really looking forward to whatever they're serving this time. And I know the captain's mom owns a restaurant on the island, and they're Greek, and she has a divine hand, I guess, when she makes food, because everything was amazing. They use local white eggplant, they use fava beans, and I'm a little hungry already, so can't wait to see what they have. Can you tell I'm out of breath from walking up and down these steps? Oh my gosh, I promise I'm not out of shape. I've been working out for months and months. So you can kind of see as we get to a little bit closer to the center square how busy it actually is getting. Yesterday I didn't even realize that I got a little bit sunburnt, and I was thinking, oh no, I'm gonna be sailing tomorrow. I have to take care of my shoulders now. But hey, Santorini is like 4,000 miles away from Michigan. If I get a little sunburnt here, I'd rather get sunburnt here than in Michigan, right? Okay. And getting in the car. Okay, we made it!
Hello, Mary. Welcome.
So she took Natasha and I last year too. How awesome is that? Now headed to sailing. Okay, last year when I came, every other man that I met was Manos, Panos, Llanos, Lanos, everyone.
Actually, Manos, it's the small name of Manuel.
Manuel, oh, so Manuel is a common name.
Yes.
Look at my mom, all fashionable in Santorini chic. Don't forget my dad.
Exciting.
Here's mom, look at the cute little bag. How cute.
What? Don't worry.
So what is some of the local plants that they grow besides grapes and eggplants?
Eggplants, and Mrs. Penelope have made it.
Oh, Mrs. Penelope is the name of the restaurant, correct? You're in
Yes.
here.
The captain's mother, and capari. You are gonna taste it also in your salad. It's the small one, the green one. It's a little bit
Capari, is that capers?
Yes.
Capers. Oh, they grow those here.
Yes.
Wow. Olives? You grow olives maybe?
No.
No olives.
But the olives that you are gonna taste on the boat, it's from the captain's aunt. From Kalamata.
Oh, Kalamata olives. Wow. Okay.
Also the olive oil, it's from Kalamata, from his aunt again.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. They are, I told you, they are all fresh.
Yes, good. Okay, I can't wait to hop on this boat with you guys. Goodbye. You're gonna be in my vlog. We're waiting for the boat. It's almost like we got a little boat cabin. Look at how blue the water is.